Once upon a time, nestled in the heart of France, there lay a city with a rich history and captivating beauty. Lyon, known as the gastronomic capital of France, has a tale that spans centuries and showcases a harmonious blend of history, architecture, and modern-day vibrancy. The story of Lyon begins over 2,000 years ago, during the days of the Roman Empire. Founded in 43 BC by the Romans, it was originally known as Lugdunum. The strategic location of the city, at the confluence of the Rhône and Saône rivers, made it an important trading hub. It flourished as the capital of the Gauls and quickly became a significant political and cultural center in the region. The Roman influence is still evident today, particularly in the ancient theatre ruins on the hill of Fourvière. These well-preserved structures offer a glimpse into Lyon's past, providing a sense of the grandeur and sophistication that characterized the city during the Roman era. Over the centuries, Lyon continued to evolve and flourish. It played a pivotal role in the silk trade during the Renaissance, becoming the silk capital of Europe. The trabbles, intricate passageways that connected buildings and courtyards, were constructed during this time to facilitate the transportation of silk. These hidden corridors, with their architectural charm and historical significance, have become one of Lyon's iconic features. As Lyon entered the 19th century, it became a hub of industrialization, attracting entrepreneurs and workers from various parts of France and beyond. The textile and chemical industries thrived, and the city experienced significant urbanization. With the advent of the Industrial Revolution, the architectural landscape of Lyon transformed, blending classical elements with the emerging styles of the time. One of the most renowned examples of this architectural fusion is the Basilica of Notre-Dame de Fourvière. Built in the late 19th century, this grand basilica stands atop the Fourvière Hill, overlooking the city. Its striking Byzantine and Gothic Revival architecture, adorned with intricate mosaics and stunning stained glass windows, is a testament to Lyon's cultural and religious heritage. In addition to its historical and religious buildings, Lyon boasts impressive examples of modern architecture. The city underwent a revitalization in the 20th century, leading to the construction of innovative structures. The Musée des Confluences, a contemporary museum dedicated to natural history and anthropology, is a prime example of Lyon's commitment to modernity. Its avant-garde design, characterized by a glass and steel crystal-like structure, serves as a symbol of Lyon's progressive spirit. Beyond its architectural splendor, Lyon is a city teeming with vibrant life and a thriving cultural scene. It hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, such as the Festival of Lights, where the city becomes an enchanting canvas for light installations and artistic performances. The internationally acclaimed Lyon Biennale showcases contemporary art, attracting artists and art enthusiasts from around the world. Lyon's culinary reputation is unparalleled, and its culinary prowess is celebrated globally. The city boasts an abundance of Michelin-starred restaurants, traditional bouchons, and bustling food markets. From delectable cheeses and pastries to the famous Lyonnaise cuisine, which features dishes like coq au vin and quenelles, Lyon is a paradise for food lovers. Today, Lyon continues to evolve and thrive, while honoring its historical roots. The preservation and restoration of its architectural treasures are paramount, ensuring that the city's charm remains intact. Whether strolling along the picturesque streets of Lyon, exploring the modern district of La Confluence, or indulging in the finest culinary delights, Lyon offers a captivating journey through time and an enchanting lifestyle. Lyon is home to a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Historic Site of Lyon, which encompasses the Old Town, Fourvière, and the Presqu'Isle. Lyon is a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, travels, and beautifully preserved Renaissance buildings. It exudes a charming medieval atmosphere, with its charming courtyards, hidden squares, and colorful facades. Walking through its winding alleys, one can explore historic landmarks such as the imposing St. Jean Cathedral and the Maison des Avocats, a striking Gothic building. The Presqu'île, meaning peninsula in French, is the vibrant heart of Lyon, located between the Rhône and Saône rivers. This bustling district is renowned for its elegant 19th-century architecture, high-end shopping boutiques, and bustling squares such as Place Bellecour, one of the largest pedestrian squares in Europe. Place de Terreaux is another notable square, adorned with the famous Fountain of Bartholdi and the majestic Hôtel de Ville. Lyon is also known for its strong connection to the arts and culture. The city boasts a thriving theater scene, with the Lyon National Opera House and the Théâtre des Célestins among its notable venues. The Lumière brothers, pioneers of cinema, were born in Lyon, and the city hosts the Lumière Film Festival annually to celebrate their legacy. The festival attracts renowned filmmakers and cinephiles from around the world. For those seeking a dose of nature, Lyon offers stunning parks and green spaces. The Parc de la Tête d'Or is a vast urban park that spans over 100 hectares, featuring a beautiful lake, botanical gardens, a zoo, and even a small amusement park. It provides a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city, inviting visitors to relax, stroll, or engage in outdoor activities. Lyon's commitment to sustainability and innovation is evident in its urban planning. The city has embraced eco-friendly practices, including the development of sustainable neighborhoods, extensive public transportation networks, and a bike-sharing program. Lyon's dedication to sustainable urbanism has earned it recognition as the European Green Capital in 2015. Lastly, Lyon is also a major educational and research hub. It is home to several renowned universities and institutions, including the University of Lyon and the Lyon Institute of Technology. This academic environment fosters a vibrant and intellectually stimulating atmosphere, attracting students and scholars from around the world. In conclusion, Lyon weaves a captivating tapestry of history, architecture, gastronomy, and contemporary vitality. Its Roman roots, Renaissance charm, industrial heritage, and modern developments coexist harmoniously, creating a city that is both timeless and dynamic. Lyon's rich cultural scene, culinary delights, and architectural splendor continue to captivate visitors, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking a multifaceted experience. Modern Lyon is a thriving metropolis that has successfully merged its historical heritage with contemporary developments, creating a city that embraces innovation while preserving its cultural identity. One of the notable modern additions to Lyon's architectural landscape is the district of La Confluence. Situated at the confluence of the Rhône and Saône rivers, this former industrial area has undergone a remarkable transformation into a sustainable urban neighborhood. The development showcases cutting-edge architecture, with buildings designed by renowned architects such as Jean Nouvel, Coupe Himmelbau, and Odile Deck. La Confluence is characterized by its sleek and sustainable design, featuring energy-efficient buildings, pedestrian-friendly streets, and green spaces. It serves as a testament to Lyon's commitment to urban renewal and sustainable development. Lyon's dedication to innovation extends to its digital sector as well. The city has emerged as a significant hub for technology and startups, with numerous incubators and accelerators fostering entrepreneurship and innovation. The Lyon French tech label recognizes the city's vibrant startup ecosystem and its contributions to the digital economy. The Confluence Institute for Innovation and Creative Strategies in Architecture is another example of Lyon's commitment to fostering innovation and creativity in various fields. Lyon is also known for its exceptional transportation infrastructure. The city has a well-connected public transportation network, including an extensive tram and metro system that makes it convenient for residents and visitors to navigate the city. Lyon's bike-sharing program, VeloV, is one of the largest in Europe, offering a sustainable and efficient way to explore the city. Culturally, Lyon continues to thrive with a diverse array of artistic and cultural offerings. The city hosts numerous festivals, exhibitions, and events throughout the year. The Biennale de Lyon, one of the most significant contemporary art events in Europe, showcases the work of international artists and attracts art enthusiasts from around the globe. The Nuits de Fourvière Festival brings together music, theater, dance, and cinema, transforming Lyon's ancient theaters and outdoor spaces into vibrant stages. Lyon's gastronomic reputation remains as strong as ever in the modern era. The city boasts a staggering number of restaurants, from Michelin-starred establishments to cozy bouchons, where traditional Lyonnaise cuisine can be savored. The Les Halles de Lyon Paul Bocuse is a food market revered by locals and visitors alike, offering an exquisite selection of fresh produce, meats, cheeses, and regional specialties. Lyon's quality of life is highly regarded, with its residents enjoying a balanced lifestyle. The city is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including the nearby Alps and the picturesque Beaujolais wine region. Lyon's proximity to nature provides ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and wine tasting. In summary, modern Lyon stands as a testament to the city's ability to evolve while maintaining its historical charm. The blend of innovative architecture, sustainable urban planning, technological advancements, and a thriving cultural scene has cemented Lyon's reputation as a dynamic and forward-thinking city. Whether you're exploring its architectural gems, indulging in its culinary delights, or immersing yourself in its vibrant cultural offerings, Lyon promises a modern and enchanting experience.